Why is finding Linux package names so confusing? Have you ever tried to install software on a Linux system and found yourself scratching your head over package names? You are not alone. Many users face this challenge, and it all boils down to the diversity of Linux distributions. Each distribution has its own way of handling software packages, which can make finding the right names quite tricky. At its core, Linux software comes in packages. These packages are archives that contain all the necessary files and metadata for installation. The two most common types of packages you will encounter are Red Hat Package Manager and Debian Package. For example, if you are using Fedora or CentOS, you will be dealing with Red Hat Package Manager packages. On the other hand, if you are using Debian or Ubuntu, you will be working with Debian packages. Each of these formats has its own rules and conventions for naming. The naming conventions can vary significantly between distributions. For instance, Fedora has specific guidelines that requiring package names to be in lowercase letters, use des as separators, and avoid certain characters like underscores. This can make the names longer and sometimes more complex. You might see prefixes in package names that indicate the type of software, such as Perl for Perl modules or Nginxmod for Nginx modules. Another layer of complexity is added by version numbers and architecture tags. A package name might include details like the software version, releases number, and the architecture it is built for. For example, an RPM package name might look like Oracle Database E21°C 1.0-1, all 7, x8664, RPM. Each part of that name tells you something specific about the software. Moreover, the same software can have different names across various distributions. This happens because package maintainers may choose different naming schemes or split software into multiple subpackages. This means that if you are trying to install a program, you need to know the exact name that your distribution's package manager recognizes. Using the command line to install software adds another layer of confusion. Each distribution has its own package manager, like Advanced Package Tool for Debian and Ubuntu, or DNF and Yum for Fedora and Red Hat. If you do not know the precise package name, you may struggle to install the software you need. In summary, finding Linux package names can be confusing due to multiple packaging formats, distribution-specific naming rules, and variations in names for the same software. Understanding these factors can help you navigate the software installation process on Linux more smoothly.